Hi guys, today we've got this BMW 116D. The customer initially called us in for a DPF check and a 3-stage carbon clean. The customer's a little bit concerned. He just basically said that the vehicle's not driving the way it should be. It's a little bit lumpy, it's a little bit sluggish, it's not got the power it used to have. So it's basically typical carbon build-up related symptoms that we've got with this one. It's been into a couple of garages. The guys can't find anything wrong with it. Sometimes we do come to vehicles where we do a check and then we find fault codes, things like that. But at the moment, we've also done a diagnostics. There's no fault codes on the system, so we're just going with a 3-stage carbon clean today. We've also checked the DPF. The sensor's all looking okay. The blockage is all looking fine. I think he was just a little bit concerned, being all he does is drive around town. The guy works from home again, so it's not like he has to travel to and from work. It's purely round city driving, round town sort of stuff. So we're just giving it a good 3-stage carbon clean today, blow it all out. Hopefully the customer can go on a test drive. He's a little bit busy at the moment. If you can go on a test drive later on, and hopefully we can get a reaction video off him. If not, we'll leave it with him. He can go for a test drive and he can obviously test it for himself and see how he feels. But yeah, so it's 3-stage carbon clean, guys. This is a 2010, sorry, bloody hell. It's a 2010 BMW 116D. So that's what we're doing today, guys. Cheers.